Good evening. Now you are watching Lok TV. I am Prashant Tripathi. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, November 19, 2021, said his government would repeal all three farm laws that have been a point of contention between farmers and from Haryana and Punjab and the centre for more than a year. Despite our best intention to support our farmers, especially the small farmers, we could not take them into confidence. Apologize to our fellow citizens. The union government has decided to repeal all three farm laws, he said in an address to the country on the occasion of Guru Parv, the birth of the anniversary of the fifth Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak. The three bill passed by the Parliament in September 2020, where Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce, Promotion and Facilitation Bill 2020, Farmers Empowerment and Protection, Agriculture on Price Insurance and Farmer Service Bill 2020, and Essential Commodities Amendment Bill 2020. Thousands of farmers had been protesting at the national capital's borders for over a year, demanding rollback of the laws. The PM said the processing to formally repeal the laws will start in the upcoming parliament session by the end of this month. He also announced the formulation of a new committee to promote zero-budget natural farming, encourage a scientific shift in the crop pattern, make minimum support price more beneficial for farmers, and make future decisions for the benefit of farmers. The committee will comprise officials from the center and state as well as farmer and agriculture experts. We offered to amend the laws, even put them on hold for 2 years, but it is time for new beginning. Let us not blame anyone, the PM said. He urged the farmer to pack up from the protest sites and move home. The union government will continue to work for the farmers of this country. Thank you.